Hello and welcome to a new video on my channel on YouTube. So yeah, what I want to show you today is how you can draw easy head of a manga girl or manga boy. So yeah, basically you start with a circle. Inside the circle you can make some lines to help you to know where the eyes are, and you can draw the eyes under the middle line, because I think it's look better when you draw them under this, and then you can continue with the other stuff on the head. Also the ear is also under the middle line, and the hairs I usually draw like a little bit under the circle, and the top of the circle is the top of the hair line. So basically what I do here is now just drawing some body for the head, so it looks much better, but you don't have to do this. I think I will do a much detailed more video about how to draw bodies or draw easy bodies. But what you see there is that I'm just using easy shapes to draw the body. So I'm using circles and other shapes, and keep it simple as possible so that there's no much logic inside of this, so that you cannot fail. And so I had to do a cut here because it's a voiceover. So the second phase is the same like the first one, but it's from the front. You draw a circle. Under the middle line you draw the eyes. You have the middle line which goes from up to down. You can use it for the nose and everything where it is to place. And also the cheeks and everything is in with a circle combined, so you know where you have to place them and you cannot miss them. Also what is important is that you also have the right proportion for this, so you can use the eye size for the right proportion. So one eye size should be under the eye, and then you can place the nose tip, and one eye size under this is mouth, and one eye size under this is the end of the face. And also that the eyes are correctly between so that there is good space between this. You have to do one eye size between each eye. So what I did just is some small body sketch on this, and clothes and everything. Nothing pretty. So here is another drawing where I also did some sketches on faces. So basically the same like the other one. Draw circle lines, two from left to right and one up to down, and then place the eyes correctly. So you can also do it like that. You use circles at first, and then you draw your eyes inside of them. And keep mention that you have one eye size between each eye. The second one I'm drawing it also. I have to erase some stuff because I don't like it. It's really fast, so don't mind if it's not perfect. It's just some sketches. And here are also different angles, so you know basically how to draw them. You just need to do this, because when you don't draw, you will never learn this. on this. I'm drawing also the circle. The hairline is a little bit other than before, because yeah, I think you need to look what is looking better with the hairline and everything. So yeah, just go with your taste, what you like and what you don't like. It's your art, it's your piece of paper. Just do it like you want to have it. So yeah, this is the end of the video. Yeah, I'm hoping you like it. Yeah, it's a voiceover, so it's not so perfect match to the speed, yeah, but I think I will probably make a video where I'm drawing on the paper, so you can follow each step constantly. So yeah, but hopefully you like the video. Yeah, if you like it, leave a comment or like or even a subscription. Yeah, bye and see you on the next video.